Yeah, I mean, depending on where you are in the world, it will kind of dictate what kind of regulation that you're going to see. Like you said, the EU is, really on top of these types of things. Everyone should kind of watch what they're doing because they take a lot of rigor to put safeguards in place. But like I said, when you talk about education, the teachers are going to have to change. The teachers are going to have to change. They are going to have to bring AI into every single classroom and have it, and that they're going to have to teach an AI speak.
Mm,
So how do they change their curriculums to be a curriculum with an AI base?
mm,
And children are learning these days are is very different. I don't know that I've ever went to a restaurant and never seen and have not seen a screen in front of a baby or a toddler or a middle schooler at the table of the restaurant. Okay. So parents are using those screens as their babysitters in some cases. And that's where we have to think about again, there's the good and bad with everything. There's good education from AI that AI can be leveraged and used and should be. And then there's the safeguards. And so you're always going to need to be teaching from the left and right side, good and bad. And regulation is going to help dictate that. You're going to see more stringent in some places than others. And, I sit in the US and, right now we're utilizing AI to make our government more efficient, but then there's a lot of concern about how open this will be. It's kind of like the old days of book censorship. What books get censored or not censored, and which ones can be published or not published. The same thing's going to happen with AI, and it should. Regulation is good, and so to safeguard the population of humans, we're just going to have to see it evolve. I think AI is happening much faster than regulation can be put in place. So there's that sweet spot of you're going to have a lot of access until you don't, and the government starts to understand what want to curate that.